In a 2005 study in a Journal of Sex Research, 72% of men said they preferred women to make the first move. A 2017 survey by the dating app Match similarly found that 95% of men want women to initiate the first kiss. But most times, that is not the case because women are scared of rejection. From the little survey I did on my YouTube channel, I'm going to share it with you. The first question I asked was, as a lady, do you normally make the first move to your partner when you want to have sex? In this particular question, we have 183 votes, and the answer was no. 58% say no, while 42% said yes. That means 58% do not normally make the first move. Then I asked another question. As a lady, are you scared to make the first move when you want to have sex? 70% of these ladies said yes, and it was 221 votes. 70% said they are scared to make the first move. Then I also asked a question. Do you want me to make a video on how to make the first move as a lady? And 84% said I should go ahead, and we have 783 votes. That is to show that this video is very, very important because a lot of ladies out there are scared to make the first move even when their body so desires it. Good day everyone, and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room YouTube channel. My name is Miss Mary, popularly known as the Nurse with the Difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for all my viewers. Today, I'm going to be sharing with the ladies 11 keys on how to make the first move, the first step when it comes to sex to your partner. But before we go into details in today's class, if you are new on our YouTube channel and these are content you are interested in, please click on that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. For all my returning subscribers, this is Nurse Miss Mary saying thank you. Welcome back. Like I earlier said, today I'm going to be sharing with you 11 ways to make the first move as a lady. 11 ways to make the first move as a lady. The fact is, initiating sex might make you feel exposed and vulnerable. Why? Because there's this feeling of, what if he says no? What if I make the first move and he's not in the mood? What if I get rejected? And definitely, you know, we ladies are very emotional. We get down when we get rejected. So that comes to play in our mind and we're like, I don't want to make the first move. I'm scared to make the first move. Let me tell you something. With good communication with your partner, sometimes rejection should not be something you take personal, but it should be something you just play alongside with and let it die like that. But there are some steps, there are some clues I'm going to be sharing with you that will help you initiate the first move, and the possibility of getting rejection is on the low side. So the first thing I want to share with the ladies is that see sex as something that is fun. See it as an exercise. See it as something that you have to enjoy. Don't see sex as a procreation tool. It's what I just need to do in order to get pregnant and have a child. Don't see sex as, oh, it's something I need to do in order to satisfy my spouse so that I don't go out and cheat. Don't have that mindset. Don't see sex in that aspect. See sex as fun. Yes, because you can't initiate something when you see something in another way. When you see sex as something that is not fun. First of all, you have to see it as a fun. You have to see it as something that you have to enjoy. You have to see something, if possible, a hobby or something you like doing before you are able to have that mindset, oh, I have to initiate it. So if you are a lady that sees sex as just a procreation tool, that sees sex as something I have to do in order to satisfy my spouse so he doesn't cheat, you have to change that mindset. It is very, very important, because a man who definitely wants to cheat, even if you give him everything, you give him all of you, he's still going to cheat. You get? So you just have to remove that from your mindset and see sex as something you want to enjoy. Then if you now have that mindset, you have that good and lovely mindset, that should make you feel happy. The second point I have to share with you is verbalize your desire to your partner. Verbalize it. Say it out. You have to say it out. You have to let them know how you feel. You have to let them know what you want. You don't have to keep it to yourself. Keeping it to yourself is not going to help you do anything. You have to realize that in life is a two-way thing. Is it that yes or no? Is it that go or come? So in all way, I can assure you that if you have a good relationship with your partner, getting a yes will be on a high side when you make the first move. Then the third thing I have to share with you is approach them directly. Don't go and send another person to tell them what you want. Approach them directly, sweet talk them, tell them something nice, tell them what they really want to hear. Just communicate. Approach them directly. I'm not telling you to send a third party or use style. No, approach them directly. That will go a long way to also help. Then the fourth one I have to share with you is touch lovingly. You all know, you know where your partners love to be touched, and you know how to be romantically touched. So you have to do all the touches. You have to do all the moving close to each other and all that. You get. Then the fourth point I have to share with you is be demanding. Be demanding. As a lady, during sex, you should know this is what I like. This is what I don't like. These are the positions that makes me feel comfortable. These are the positions that makes me more happy. This position causes me more pain. That is why also communication is very, very important. So be demanding of what you like during the whole process. Oh, you have to stop. I don't like this. Oh, you have to go with this. This is what I like. You have to be demanding to your spouse. Don't be scared. He should not be the one to take charge alone. Both parties should also take charge. It is very, very important. The fifth point I have to share with you is text it. Especially if you are far away from each other and there's a possibility that you are going to be meeting today, it's not a bad idea to text your spouse. I'm not saying texting it directly, oh, I want to have sex today. No, there's some way you do these things, like you send romantic message on your phones to them, telling them how special they are, telling them how you miss them, telling them, just say something nice to your spouse. It's not my mouth you will hear what is nice. I believe you know what is nice. So say something nice on that text message you are sending to them. Send a picture of you, snap yourself looking beautiful and gorgeous and send to them. That is good. I don't advise sending nude because you don't know what will happen tomorrow. Yes. I hear people say you have to send your nude pictures. I don't advise sending nudes. You can get good pictures of yourself looking good and astonishing great. Then send it to your partner. You get. Then the other one I have to share is the sixth point. This sixth point is under the probability depending on both parties. The sixth point is get naked. Definitely a partner who is sexually attracted to you, that is not tired when his ladies gets naked. Definitely he already know that this lady is passing a message to me for me to begin a journey. You understand? But some partner don't necessarily need you to get naked. Even while you are well clothed, when you make the first move, they dance to the tune. Yeah. Then the other one I have to share with you is that take a shower. Like when they are taking a shower, just use that opportunity to go into the shower. That is when you personally want to shower too. So it's better for you, oh, he's taking a shower, just go into the shower with him and like, oh, I need to shower too. So with that, there's going to be a connection during that whole process that might lead to a good sex afterwards. You get. Then another point I have to share with you is use humor. Use humor. Like you people should have like a joke code, like humor, like joking about things. You are not saying it directly. You are using other things that means what you are saying, but jokingly. But your partner should understand what you are trying to push to his table. You use humor, not every time you get serious. And also for the man self, it's better for, I think the men that are listening to this, it's not every time you get serious. Oh, I want to have this, you be serious. Like there are some things you have to use humor, you have to use jokes in order to clarify the whole thing. Then pamper them. See, as a woman, you like to be pampered. So do men love to be pampered. It's not a bad thing for you to get your man a gift. Yeah. Oh, I was coming back from the work. I saw this. I just thought about you. I was in the office today. This came up and I saw it. I thought about you. I got you this gift. They like to be pampered too. Forget about those hard men, hard man you see on the outside. A man loves to be pampered the same way a woman loves to be pampered. Then also be creative. You get. Having sex with a partner over and over again might get bored, but creativity also comes into play. You have to be creative in terms of how you approach things, in terms of how it's being done. Creativity matters a lot. I think I should make a video about creativity some other time in regards to this. Yes. So these are the points I have to share with you. It's so funny, like, my confidence is not inside of me when I'm taking this topic. Why? See, I'm trying to build my confidence. So kind of bear with me, you understand? I don't want to cut it out. I just wanted to know. But these are the key points I have to share with you, and I believe it's going to help you. All you just have to do is to keep calm, practice, take it one step at a time. In all, you have to understand your partner. You have to understand your partner. You have to know what he likes and use what best suits him. Some of these key steps might not work for your partner, whether you like it or not. That is why understanding your partner, communicating with your partner, it's very, very important. You see, communication is the greatest thing when it comes to enjoying the flow of sex and when it comes to initiating sex. You have to learn to communicate. You have to learn to understand your partner, because if you don't understand your partner, some of these steps might not work for you. And also, from understanding your partner, you will know a better approach to arrange things. You get? In all, sex brings people closer together. Yeah, definitely it does. I'm married. I can attest. Anyway, thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers, this is Nurse Mary saying thank you, and I hope this helped you. Bye, and see you in our next video.